Hey guys, check this out. Got your messages about how to accumulate massive amounts of crypto. I'm going to go into what we did the last bear run to accumulate a large amount of crypto using very little of our own capital. So let's dive in real quick. Bitcoin's sitting at $19,617, and that's something that we've been expecting. Now, people switched their tune when Bitcoin hit 25 grand. That was the bottom. It's not the bottom, guys. There's more blood to be had, and we're preparing for it and have prepared for it. But looking into one way we've been able to accumulate massive amounts of crypto the last bear run is dropshipping. So taking things from, Walmart and, Kmart, Sears, wherever, and selling it for more on Amazon. And that arbitrage is the profit margin that we're getting. So if we get something on Walmart that has free shipping for $5, we go onto Amazon and sell it for $20. We've made $15, and a little bit less than 15 if you calculate Amazon's fees for selling. That is one way we accumulated massive amounts of crypto in the last bear run. The next way we did was garage selling. So typically taking the same thing, instead of using Walmart and selling on Amazon, we would take stuff from garage sales, taking that and selling that on Amazon. That arbitrage, that margin is what we would profit, and take that to buy Bitcoin, take that to buy Ethereum, take that to buy whatever project we are looking at. Good way to accumulate massive amounts of crypto in a bear market. Now, a lot of people aren't talking about that. You don't need a lot of money to start. So we're talking about buying things for a quarter, buying things for 50 cents and selling it for $15 on Amazon. Those are big margins. So imagine that every time you do that, you're able to accumulate some Ethereum, you're able to accumulate some Cardano, and doing that at scale. So the last way that we did, accumulate massive amounts of crypto is by leverage trading. Now, I do not necessarily recommend this for everyone, because we've been trading for almost a decade and we've done well, and, we have the experience. But what we did was we took, our funds, started margin trading, using those profits, all the profits, we take that and dump that into cryptocurrency in the bear market to really set us up for the bull run. So these next 12 months, everyone's going to have an opportunity to accumulate massive amounts of crypto. Those are just some of the ways that we've been able to do it. And I just wanted to spend some time and answer some of you guys' questions about what we did last bear run to accumulate. And that's exactly what we did. Started with $5,000, dropshipping, those margins accumulated, then did garage selling. Actually, we started with garage selling first, and then I was like, I don't have time to keep going out. So then I went to dropshipping, automated that, and was able to build up to $5 grand. So didn't start with $5 grand, started with a little less than that, and able to get my $5 grand with arbitrage, with dropshipping, and then taking that $5 grand, and then I put it into a leveraged account. Day trading for foreign currencies, day trading gold, but as well as GBP JPY is the main pair that I traded, and was able to flip that $5,000 and those gains, be able to dump that into cryptocurrency in a bear run. That's what I did. That's what we're going to be doing the next 12 months. Heavy, really just capitalizing on what we can to build that foundation again, and take that to the next level. Another thing that we're doing is during the bear run, we got into real estate. So real estate and apartments, that's one thing that we've always wanted to do. And thankful to the last the last bull run, we were able to start getting into apartment buildings and start getting into real estate. So that's been quite the journey. So we're learning, and we're going to document that every step of the way. But I just wanted to let you guys know, I do get your messages, I do get your emails, and I do see them, and we're going to respond the best we can. But that's what we did last bear run. And that's what really catapulted us to be able to be more in a financially stable and really towards financial freedom with, our crypto assets, with our overall portfolio, is utilizing the bear markets to accumulate heavy. And that's what we're going to be doing. Guys, I hope you got some value out of this video, and I just want to be transparent with you guys and let you know, like, this is the time. The time is now. When you see these red, when you see Bitcoin falling like a rock, this is the time to capitalize for the future. So capitalize now, or in 2 to 3 years from now, you'll be thankful that you did, because most of these solid projects, I would say any project within like the top 10, top 20, are more than likely going to be around. more than likely. You know, yes, I'm talking about Tron too. Tron survived a bear market already. It's been around. Ethereum Classic's been around. Cardano's been around. XRP's been around. And Ethereum's been around. Of course, Bitcoin's been around the last bear run to the best of my knowledge. And that's what, you know, you want to look for. Look for high probability. Nothing's guaranteed. I know. Nothing's guaranteed. But what are the odds that these projects will survive the next bull run? Not necessarily looking for 100x. And that's why I don't really condone people starting with $1,000. I use arbitrage and dropshipping to build me that $5,000 cushion, because I think starting accounts with $5,000 is the best way. Whether you're margin or you're just buying crypto flat out, I think $5,000 give you that wiggle room for the gain. Like trying to flip $1,000 accounts. Now I've done it. You know, we've done it. I flipped, you know, $100 to $2,500 in a week. It can be done, but the room for error is very small. You're just one, you know, random news event happening away from being blown out the water. So definitely, you know, for me, I think, you know, that $5,000 threshold is really where we're going to start at. We're probably going to document $5,000 journey as well and go on that road about how we accumulate and what calls we make starting with a $5,000 account. How high can we flip it, you know, going into a bull run and document that experience. But hey guys, so just want to stop in real quick and give you guys an answer to your question, and get that question a lot about what we do for a bear run. So keep moving forward, guys, and everything that you do, and we'll see you soon.